Trying to put out a bird, serving to people who can't see me straighten out they nerve. Yeah, if you's a thug, don't show a shot and rushing it. Rushing through the hustler, top some weights and build your monsters. Build your monsters, if you's a killer, then don't leave them bloody, nigga. And we ain't playing, we ain't worried about them mother niggas. Don't show a shot and rushing it. If you a hustler, top some weights and build your monsters, nigga. If you's a killer, then don't leave them bloody, nigga. And we some players, so we ain't worried about you mother niggas.
Real life home invaders, dressed in all black like the Raiders. Snatch slugs the niggas' taters if they playin' by that baby. Stay rolling out counter road with silencers and flashlights. Coming at me sideways and get your fucking posture right. Y'all niggas mistaken, thinking y'all can play us like a chump. Treat you like a baseball player, push it in the slump. Niggas dumb, hats in my lap, fuck the trunk. Please believe we bring the funk.